There's the storm coming up, and there's Orlando right at the top of the map. That's where we're at. So it's coming. Hurricane Irma on its way. Alright, this is Tom and Madison. Today's the big storm day. Hurricane Irma is coming our way. We're just outside Orlando, Florida. It's 10 in the morning. We got a little bit of rain, not really any breeze yet, but it should be coming today. So we'll kind of keep you posted. We'll make some videos as we go, and we shouldn't get too much damage here in Orlando. It looks like it's coming up the Gulf side. We're up the Atlantic side more, but we should see some action. So we'll keep you posted. See you in a bit. This is our weather map right now. There's Orlando, Sanford, we're right in that area there. As of 10 a.m. Sunday morning. Palm trees is blowing just a little bit. Not much yet.